Hey guys, Rent Teacher here. Let's talk about your hood vent. Your hood vent draws up the exhaust and pushes it out of the house. If you burn something, it's going to pull up those fumes. As you cook, it pulls up and filters out all the smells and then any smoke. Now your hood vent has a filter. That filter is underneath the light area. That filter is real easy to remove and it's real easy to clean. This one has not been cleaned and probably is not salvageable, so this will go in the trash. You can replace these at Home Depot pretty cheap. Walmart also has them, and then of course online. You just measure it, add it to your cart and get it delivered. You do want to replace these at least once a year. If it's not able to filter out those smells, it doesn't serve its purpose. So this is your filter. It needs to be replaced and or cleaned frequently. You just pop it back up there. There's a little twist. You're good to go.